Hi guys, today I'm going to share this everyday loose bun which you can wear for all day long because it's super comfortable and you can create this one in just 1 minute. So starting with middle parting my hair, I'm going to gather all my hair. Now I'm going to do a ponytail. Here I am using a rubber band, a simple rubber band. You can buy this from any local store. And I'm slightly pull my hair. It makes the bun loose, and now I'm going to roll it up like this. And going to secure this bun with some U-pins. You can use bobby pins too, but for me U-pins are more comfortable, so here I'm using some U-pins. And again I'm going to secure all the excess hair. And from my front hair I'm going to pull some hair for more volume and loosen up some hair strand from the front section. And now I'm going to use a bobby pin and going to secure my hair like this. Again I'm going to pull some hair from this front section, and that's it. That's the complete look. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such videos.